Question 1. Write these fractions appropriately as additions or subtractions. We have 3 questions, namely A, B, and C, and we have certain boxes or certain figures that are being shaded up. Now, we have to use our logic and to see through the problem whether they are being added up or they are subtracted in the final. You can see equal to sign there. So what we have in first case, 1 is shaded in the first part. So when it is added up with the 2 other shaded parts, it gives us 3 shaded parts as shown in the figure. So 1/5 plus 2/5. That means 1 part out of 5 and 2 part out of 5 gives you how much? 3 out of 5. So you can also take LCM here. That is 5 ones are 5 gives 1 plus 2. So we'll write 2. So summing it up, we get 3/5 as the answer. Or pictorially, we can say 3 parts are shaded out of 5. That is all fractions are all about. So here in the first question, addition has been done. In the second part, we have 5, that is complete circle is shaded, and in the second one 3 parts are shaded up, and in the final only 2 are left. So it means subtraction. 5 out of 3 parts gives you 2 parts. So we'll write mathematically 5/5 minus 3/5 equals, taking LCM, 5. So 5 ones are 5, that means 5. We'll write here 5 minus, again 5 ones are 5, 3. So 2/5. That is also seen in the final picture. So here what we have 4 shaded portions in the first part and in the second 3. So obviously 4 minus 3 gives you 1 shaded portion in the last. So initially we had 4 out of 6 parts, and when 3 parts are taken out of 6, again taking LCM and also applying some common sense, what we get is 4 minus 3, because denominator part is same, so you just have to minus it. So 1/6 is the answer for the C part. That was your answer. Question 2. You have to solve various questions. First part, we can see denominator are same, therefore LCM would be same, 18. 18 ones are 18, 1 ones are 1, so 1 plus 1 we'll do in simple terms. Adding it up, it is 2/18. But look, it can be further reducible by a factor 2. 1 2s are 2, 9 2s are 18, 1/9 would be the answer. Writing it clearly. In the second part again, 15 is the denominator, common. Simply write above parts when denominator are same. That is 8 plus 3 gives you 11/15. Simple, not further reducible. That is your answer. Third part, again 7, common, denominator. Write numerator as it is when denominators are same. So 7 minus 5 gives you 2/7. Again 22 is denominator, common denominator. 1 plus 21 would give you how much? 22/22. That is further reducible, 1/1. Then the E part, again all these questions so far have common denominator. 15, 12 minus 7 gives you, that would give you 5/15. Further reducible, 1/3, because 5 is the common factor. 1 5s are 5, 3 5s are 15. F part, Again, denominator is 8. Again, write numerator as it is when denominators are same. 5 plus 3 gives you how much? 8 over 8. That means 1 again. And you further reduce it. Then here is 1 also given problem as 3 over 3 and minus 2 over 3. Because ultimately 3 over 3 would give you 1. So that gives 1 over 3. Now again 0 over 4. One thing is to be noted here. Whenever 0 is when any number is divided by 0, it goes infinity, but in this case 1 over 4 plus 0 gives you 1 over 4. Again here 5 would be the LCM. 1 5 is a 5, 5 3 is a 15, minus 5 1 is a 5, 2 gives 3 over 5. This is your answer. Now, question third. Shubham painted 2/3 of the wall space in his room. His sister Madhavi helped and painted 1/3 of the wall space. How much did they paint together? So first visualize this question. There is a wall. Let's make a wall and try to make it into 3 equal, because denominator part says 3. So if Shubham painted 2 over 3, that what does that imply? That simply means that he painted 2 parts out of 3 equal parts. So here we are dividing the wall into 3 equal parts. That is first, second and third, separated vertically. So this is 1 over third. This part would be 1 over third. Similarly, second one and the last one also 1 over third part. Now, so this one and this one would give you 2 over 3 parts painted by Shubham. Now, further question says his sister Madhavi painted 1 over third, that is remaining. So as you can see, that whole wall gets completed up, that is painted up. So total is 1 over 3, 1 over 3, 1 over 3, or you can say 2 over 3 as painted by Shubham plus 1 over 3 as painted by his sister gives you 3 over 3, that is 1. 1 means the whole complete work has been finished. That is, we can say complete wall has been painted by both of them. So you can write it as painted by Shubham 2 by third, painted by Madhavi 1 over third, together simply add it up and that gives you 1 complete. 1 simply means that the whole work has been completed by both of them. That is complete wall. So this is your answer for this third question. Fill in the missing fractions in question 4. Now, we have to find what will come into these boxes. Simply, in the first question, take 7 by 10 to the other side and let the box be X. So in this manner, we'll take 1 terms to the other sides. So here 7 by 10 minus 3 by 10 gives you equal to X. 10 is the common LCM and 7 minus 3 would give you 4. And further reduce it, 2 to the 4, 5 to the 10 would give you 2 over 5. That is the value of X that will come in this box. So that is how we do it. In the second part, what we have, we let all the boxes be equal to X. Let's make x to this side only, that is left hand side, and take negative 3 over 21 to the right hand side. And whenever the terms are taken to some other sides, the signs are reversed. So therefore 21 and 5 plus 3 simple, 8 over 21 would be your answer. So in the third part, again take negative sign to the other side, it becomes positive. So x equals to, LCM would be 6 again. Before that, let's write it 3 over 6, and that negative sign becomes positive, 3 by 6. So simple, 6 is the LCM. 3 plus 3 would give you 6. Again 1. Now the D part. 12 over 27 minus 5 over 27. Why? Because plus gets subtraction when it is taken to the right hand side from the left hand side. So 27 would be the common denominator. 12 minus 5 would give you 7 over 27 as your answer. Question 5. Javed was given 5/7 of a basket of oranges. What fraction of oranges was left in the basket? So let's visualize it first. Initially there were 7 out of 7 oranges. When 5 out of 7 were given to him, that is Javed, then it is very easy to say that 2 are left. So we can say 7 out of 7, or we can say 1 total, 1 basket. So 5 were given from them and 2 out of 7 were left. So this is how you have to do it.